Na sensitive skin na pala.
sensitive skin ka na pala. And Bianca, tell us if you can relate, if na-experience mo rin yun.
Yes, so recently I've noticed, Erica, some of my patients, I was actually telling Bianca, kakwento nila sa akin, Dok, wala akong makita, pero ang halitan!
Oo, totoo.
But really so telling the patients, minsan you feel na, sabi ng mommy ko, ang arte ko daw, talagang wala namang problema yung balat, pero Dok, ang hapde. That is a sign of sensitivity. So, listen to your skin. Yun ang
Question,
yes.
what's happening?
That's why we're here. Talk to us, don't be shy.
Exactly. What about you, Bianca? Were you experiencing any of those symptoms before?
For sure, yung redness, yung dryness, yun talaga. Yung stinging nung bata ako. Ulit. Pero, I listened to my skin. Buti na lang, hindi ko ginamit yun. Isa pang misconception, akala ko dati yung sensitive skin, kailangan yung may actual skin condition na may diagnosis.